friends and family, welcome back to my channel for another video. Today, I'm going to show you how to make this easy Kool-Aid lemon flavored pie. You heard me correct. We're going to make a Kool-Aid pie today. Go ahead and check the description box for what is needed for the recipe, and let's go ahead and get started. First up, go ahead and add your sweetened condensed milk to the bowl like you see me doing. Here, I'll give you a close-up here. I added my Kool-Aid, 1 pack, to the mix. From there, we're going to go ahead and add in the Cool Whip. Once you add in your Cool Whip, go ahead and combine all of the ingredients like you see me doing here. And guess what, guys? This is how it looks once you finish combining everything. Easy, simple recipe, guys. Let's go ahead and set this to the side. Bring out the magic maker, which is our pre-made graham cracker crust. We're gonna go ahead and scoop that mixture that we mixed up a moment ago into the pie. You know what to do from here. You're gonna smooth everything out because everybody wants some of that filling on their piece of the pie. And then from there, put it in the refrigerator for at least 3 hours, guys. And when you bring it out, that's how it looks right out of the refrigerator. Let me cut you a piece. This is how it looks, guys. A stable, delicious lemon flavored Kool-Aid pie. I went ahead and added some decorations, some decor, some extra whipped cream, and this is how it looks, guys. As you can see, we are at the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for your support. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell down below to be notified. And until the next one, guys, bye!